So this might probably be the last stage of your studying in Germany process, at least from your home country. And I believe after reading the title, you're probably aware of what this video is going to be about. I know packing stuff and moving to a new country can be challenging, especially if it's your first time. But don't worry, my friend, if you watch this video till the end, I am sure you would know what you should bring along with you and what you can buy here, ultimately saving space and reducing the luggage so that it will be easy for you to carry when you are traveling alone. This video will contain all the essentials that a student must pack, and I have also created a free packing checklist for you to download from the description of this video. Whether you're moving to Germany for the first time or just want to double check your packing, then I believe that this checklist will provide you exactly that and will help you avoid overpacking while ensuring that you have all the essentials with you. To access this file, simply click on the first link of this video's description. Once you do that, you will come to this page. Keep in mind that you have a viewer access, meaning you cannot edit or basically do anything inside this document on browser. However, you can export it. Here's how. Click on File, hover over Downloads and export it to whichever format that is suitable for you. Once you do all that, it is pretty much simple to navigate. This checklist has total 8 pages. But to save your time, simply click on Document tabs and navigate to whichever page that you want, such as the essential documents, electronics and gadgets, clothing and footwear, food and kitchen essentials, medicine and toiletries, miscellaneous items. Now keep in mind that you can tailor this list to whatever you already have or you're referring to so that you will only pack what is essential for you, ultimately saving time, saving space, and avoiding any further trouble when you depart from your home country. And lastly, the last page, page number 8, is your pro tips. Now, I recommend you to consider these 3 tips even before you start with your packing. First, your documents are the most important. Pack your passport, visa, university's admission letter, health insurance, travel insurance, accommodation proof in your hand luggage, the one which you need to carry with you in the flight. Also, carry digital and printed copies of your important documents. Trust me, this will help you save lots of trouble at the immigration and university registration. And if you need help organizing your documents, then I have already covered a detailed video talking about the same on my channel. I will leave a link in the description below for you to check out after you watch this video. Germany uses type F power sockets, so bring a universal adapter. Also, an extension cord with multiple plugs can be super useful. And if you rely on some external storage or hard drives, then carry that too. For the internet, most of the apartments here have Wi-Fi included in them. However, bringing a Wi-Fi router or repeater is totally up to you. Germany has all 4 seasons, so pack according to the weather and when you arrive. Winters are cold, so if you are arriving in the winter semester, then I would recommend you to bring at least one winter jacket, some thermals, gloves, and waterproof shoes as well, but that's optional. However, on the other side, if you're arriving in the summer semester, then you can basically pack light because when the winter starts, you can buy most of the clothes and all the essentials here for a relatively lower price. Also, keep in mind to bring at least one formal outfit for events and job interviews. Some spices and foods from your home country can be expensive or unavailable in Germany. So if you love home cooked food, then I recommend you to bring some masalas, ready to eat food and snacks that you will miss. Also, if you plan to cook regularly, then a pressure cooker might be useful. Basic medicines like painkillers, cold and flu medicine, or allergy tablets can be expensive and may require a prescription here in Germany. So carry all the essential medicines that you need from your home country, but make sure that you have a prescription for it, just in case your luggage gets checked by the customs. And that's it. I hope this video helps, and if you still have any questions, then drop your comments below or reach out to me as I would love to help you. Make sure to also check out my Studying in Germany playlist where you will find more such content. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.